Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into how to use Todoist for managing your social media campaigns, a task management tool that's even more vital in 2025. First up, let's create a new project specifically for your campaign. Click on the plus sign on the top right, name it, and select a color. This helps us stay organized and visually separate this campaign from others. Now that we've done that, it's time to add tasks. Think of each task as a post or an action item for your campaign. Click on Add Task, write a brief description of the post, and set a due date. By doing this, you're scheduling your social media content ahead of time, ensuring a steady stream of posts without last-minute panic. Next up, we're going to assign these tasks. If you're working with a team, click on the person icon next to the task and assign it to a team member. This step makes sure everyone knows what they're responsible for, avoiding confusion and double work. Now let's add labels to these tasks. Labels are keywords that help you filter tasks. They could be the social media platform like Instagram, Twitter, or the type of content like video, image. The reason we do this is it allows us to focus on certain aspects of the campaign when necessary. Moving on, we're going to set priorities. Todoist allows you to set 4 levels of priority to your tasks. This helps us because it allows us to understand what needs our attention first and aids in effective time management. Now that you've got your tasks set, it's time to utilize Todoist's comment feature. Click on the speech bubble icon next to your task. Here you can add notes, clarifications, or attach files. Let me explain why this matters. It's a great way to store all necessary information related to a task in one place. Lastly, ensure you're making the best use of Todoist's notification feature. You can customize when and how you receive reminders for your tasks. This is especially helpful in making sure no task falls through the cracks. And there you have it. With these steps, you've now streamlined your social media campaign management using Todoist. Remember, the ultimate goal is to reduce stress, increase productivity, and keep your team focused and organized. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.